Well,
A little bit of a pitfall.
our GoPro is delicately balanced.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
If you haven't seen our last video, Hayden and I stayed the night in a movie prop from The Walking Dead and Hunger Games. The 1966 UNIMOG was transformed into an Airbnb by the owners, who also own over 100 acres of land. In this video, we explore their land, hear their story behind their eco-retreat, as well as tell you why we have started to film our stays at unique Airbnbs across the US. So let's go.
We are about to go on out and explore more of the land. There's a few really neat places on this property, so we're gonna go find them.
Yes, we are.
Let's go.
This is the Case Rock cabin that the owners were kind enough to let us take a look around after the previous guests had just checked out, so we are so excited to share with you a peek inside.
Oh, what? We are coming to stay here.
So cute! These shelves are amazing. I love everything about it already.
I do too. This is awesome.
Oh my god!
This is awesome. Wood burning stove. Oh, yes!
Oh, and it has two beds. There's a bed down here.
Oh.
Towels. The stairs up to the top.
Well, the ladder.
Or the ladder.
Just a perfect space.
Let's go outside. They've got a nice little table over the water.
This is amazing.
Grill. Outdoor sink.
Little bitty shower.
Fire pit.
Wow. I'm impressed by this too. This is more than perfect. We're gonna come stay here too. Maybe we can bring some friends to stay in this one.
Yes.
Hashtag
Case Rock cabin.
to the Shire.
To the Shire.
Case Rock has the best skipping rocks. Look at that.
So, how did everything start?
When I first started buying up the land, I had 35 acres that I purchased up front, and then I started buying up neighbors' land for about 10 years now. It's pretty rugged land, as you can see. It's got a lot of elevation change, but once we really immersed ourselves out here and started wandering around, it was beautiful land. And I thought, why would I keep this to myself? Why not share this with people? The best way we could figure out to do that was an eco-retreat. So we built the first cabin a couple of years ago down on the river. And of course, this thing came along. I ran across this. Had a lot of history, you know, not just being an old vehicle, but being in the movies, Walking Dead, Hunger Games. So this was our second build.
How long did it take you to do this?
It took me about 3 months. It took Roxanne and I about 3 months to build this.
So what's your favorite thing about the MOG?
I like the observation deck. It's the highest point on the property. It's got great views. You can see the mountains in the distance, stargazing at night. Our niche is that we're 18 miles out of Birmingham proper. When you're back out here, you feel like you're in the wilderness. You won't see another human unless they're on the property renting from me.
Who did the artwork on this?
Rachel did this.
Rachel did this? Wow.
She painted that. It's actually a large painting that we scaled down and we make copies for the guests. She's a little salty that I keep adding properties because she's going to have to redo it.
Did she redo the whole thing?
She's going to
then?
have to. She hasn't yet. She's waiting to see how many I add.
So what about the name?
So 2 years ago when we were starting to build and starting to really, you know, wrap our head around how I was going to develop this property, one of the books that we happened to be reading to my two little girls was The Lord of the Rings. Not too long after the cabin, I had wandered down into what is the Shire now, and I was so taken back at how different it was. And so I had to run home and get the kids and the wife and y'all
Show
come see
them.
this. Yeah. So when we got down there, one of the kids said, it's like Middle Earth. And I said, it's like the Shire. So we named it the Shire. And ever since then, you know, we rode around, the girls and I, and they would name different places. Oh, this is Helm's Deep. Oh, this is Minas Tirith. Well, this is Gaparohan. That's how they came about.
Well, thank you so much.
It's so big.
We wanted to take this time to share a little bit more about why this video, because it's very different from our other videos. If you've been following us for the last 8 months, we're doing hiking trails, how-tos, product reviews, but we wanted to branch out a little bit and try to reach some different people. We know that not everybody wants to backpack and camp when they go out and hike. And for us, we've done a lot of trips like this where we go hike during the days, but we stay at an Airbnb during the nights. We are also Airbnb owners, and we want to help others that are doing this same business. And Glenn and his wife have done a fantastic job with this Airbnb, and we want to help them and help others. And then honestly, we just want to explore and find some of the some of the coolest.
Well,
A little bit of a pitfall. Okay.
our GoPro is delicately balanced.
Okay, I think you're good. Where was I? It's just been an awesome experience. We just want to help Airbnb owners. We want to give you more of a look as to what our adventures look like, not just on the trail, but also where we stay, what we do kind of throughout the days. And so that's why this is more of a vlog style. And we really enjoyed it.
We hope that you guys will come stay here too and experience what we've experienced, because it is worth every second. Worth every second.
If you're interested in renting the MOG, we will leave a link to it in the description below. Check that out. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit the notification bell. We've got new videos every week. You don't want to miss out on those. So come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time. Well, I might have made a bad decision.
What did you do?
I thought it would be cool, and now I'm not sure how to fix the situation.
Oh, like
a thing,
a point.
a point, a monument.
You all know what we're trying to say.
Right here. There you go. Let's go it. Let's go it. Back around the back. Back around the back. Viewer discretion advised. No?
Viewer beware.
Viewer beware. Viewer consider. I don't know. I lost the nut and the thing that goes on
So
the
that's what you drive. I don't know how this works.
Can you get it?